My name's Alan Beak, and I am a Booksy ambassador. During testing times and months that are a little bit quieter, here's a few ways to motivate your team and boost morale. How are you supposed to motivate your staff when you are not motivated yourself? So make sure that you get out, clear your head, and that you're prepared mentally and physically for the rest of the day. People are very absorbent, so when you get into work, be a beacon of energy and a beacon of light. Throw in some compliments, that always helps. Lead by example. If your staff see you happy and working hard, they will emulate your behaviour. Make sure you provide a pleasant working environment, so no negative talk, some nice music, and morning flapjacks always help. Set clear goals and incentivize the right results. Always offer opportunities for self-development. Let people shadow you and see how the business is run. The more they know about the business, the deeper connection they have to it. In the form of self-development, make sure that you offer online courses, in-house training, or external training. Always encourage your team to grow. Make sure that you always give positive feedback, constructive feedback, and give praise as much as possible. Flexible with holidays and time off. The more trust that you gain with your employees, the more likely they are to respect you. Mutual respect is extremely important. Another way of improving motivation is to encourage staff nights out and collaborations within the team. It helps bonds and relationships grow within your workspace. When engaging with your team, make sure that you are 100% present. Stop everything that you're doing and listen to what they have to say. And one of the most important things that you can do to create motivation within your team, to boost morale, is to make sure that you have a fun place to work. Play games, have daily jokes, play pranks, do anything that you need to create laughter. Laughter is key for motivation. Let's play a little game of what we like to call boiled egg roulette. So there are 9 eggs in this bowl. 8 of them have been boiled and 1 of them hasn't. Ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah!